everyone, welcome to the Robloq Steam Show. Dragons are mysterious and legendary creatures in many ancient cultures. In the Chinese culture, we have many festivals celebrating dragons, and the Dragon Boat Festival is one of them. It is celebrated on the 5th day of the 5th month in the lunar calendar. It is celebrated in memory of a Chinese poet. And today, we have a dragon celebrating this holiday with us in the office. Our dragon is driven by sound, which is received right here by this sound sensor. The louder it is, the faster it runs. The majestic roar of the dragon comes from this MP3 module. And the glowing head is because we gave it a RGB module. Now let's take a look at the code behind this majestic creature. First, let's find our when program begin block and use the forever loop block. Before we do the rest of the coding, we need to set variables for our RGB sensor. So right here, we picked a random number for our RGB sensor's value, so it glows in different colors. You can see the value changes constantly right here. So once we set the values for our RGB sensor, let's find our if and then block and find the operator. So the operator will be this one, and find our sensor. When the sound sensor reads any value bigger than 500, then let's set the motion to run forward at a speed of 100, and the MP3 should play the sound of the dragon roar. And let's make it last for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, the motion stops, so it runs forward at a speed of 0. Let's make sure that we got the port right. So our sound sensor is plugged in port 3 and our MP3 sensor is port 1. Once we finish this part, we can use the duplicate function to finish up the rest. So because we said earlier in the video, the louder the sound is, the faster it runs. So right here, let's say the value will be 300 and this value will be 200. So accordingly, right here, it's supposed to be run slower and run slower. So 60. Okay, so this is the entire program for our dragon boat. And once you finish your program, remember to upload to your robot. Pretty cool, right? Do you know other dragon stories? If you do, please share with us in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to watch more tutorials on coding and robotics. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.